What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to talk briefly about how you can make your hair system last a little bit longer inside of the summer. Summer is coming. For some of you, summer is here as we're going into May. And during this time, it is probably the time of year that most of us fear the most as being hair system wearers. This is when our our hair systems are going to be tested to the max when it comes to heat and comfortability. It is going to test us to the max in terms of our adhesives and if they last. So in this video, I'm going to talk about just a couple of the quick tips, things that you can do in the summer to make your hair system bond and your hair system more comfortable, last longer, all that kind of stuff. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing is all about the theme of what you need to do in order to be more comfortable. If you are using a poly system, right now is a good time for you to switch over to wearing a lace system. This is also going to help your bonds last a little bit longer. Why? Poly is something that traps heat. It does not breathe whatsoever, and because of that, you are constantly going to be fighting against the comfortability. What is it going to feel like? Your hair will become itchy, or I should say your scalp will become itchy. It'll feel hot. It'll not feel fun. It is not something that is an absolute deal breaker, but it's enough that it'll potentially keep you away from saying go for a long hike with your friends. If it's for longer events, I tell you, if you get a lace, it's going to be an absolute game changer for you. You are going to notice a difference. It is going to be an absolute game changer for you. So this is highly recommended that you do. The second thing that I recommend that you do is you actually switch to using tape instead of your liquid adhesive. Why? Because tape tends to hold up better with repeated cycles of cooling and heating, sweating, and then becoming dry again. In my experience, tape will give you a little bit more time to work with than using a liquid. That being said, if you are going to use a liquid, you do need to switch over to one that is a little bit nicer. If you are going to use liquid, I highly recommend that you use the Walker Ultra Hold liquid version right here. This is the strongest and it's going to work the best throughout the summer. But as I said, I recommend that you do switch over to actually using a tape. Which tape, you say? Well, ding ding, guess what? It's this one right here. It is the Ultra Hold tape, and this is actually something that you can buy right on LeVivid. As you can see right here, this is meant for maximum wear. It is 2 to 4 weeks. I've found that I can get maybe somewhere in the ballpark in the summer if I'm doing a lot of sweating, a lot of activity, maybe about 10-ish days. During the winter, when it's colder, in the fall, yes, 2 weeks, totally doable. Some people get more. But during the summer, you should plan on doing it maybe every 10 days, reinstalling your tape. Finally, the thing that's really going to help you during the summer, after you've changed your base type and you've changed to either a liquid that lasts better or a tape, which is probably better overall, the last thing that you need to do is actually make sure that you're using a scalp protector. Now, this is Walker Max Hold Sport. You can actually buy it on Amazon right here. It's very easy to purchase. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and it is something that lasts a long time. This will probably last you a couple months, maybe 3 to 6 months. What this will do, yes, it will protect your scalp from exposure to the tape or liquid directly, but what it will also do is it's going to put a barrier between your tape and or liquid and your scalp, which is actually going to make it last longer, because this is going to basically absorb some of that not thawing, but cooling and heating cycles. This generally, I would say, gives you an extra 25% more time with your hair system if you use it. So this right here, super recommended to use all year round, but particularly in summer. Now, what I would tell you is plan on going about 10 days during summer without having to change your unit. If you can do more, great. If you're not active, great. You can probably go a little bit longer, but if you're outside in the sun, think about 10 days as being your standard issue. I like to do it every Sunday. It takes me about 45 minutes. But for you, it might take 45 to about 65 minutes, maybe 75 minutes at the longest once you know what you're doing. And in this process, it is very simple. 1, you go in the shower. 2, you put hot water on your scalp, and this right here will make the bond start to heat up. It'll basically become weaker, and you can slowly remove your hair system. Once you do that, you are going to use that hot water, run the hot water over the tape that you have, and you can slowly peel it off. It's very easy. If you are using a liquid though, you can use the mirror slide method, which is where you actually put it on a mirror and you gently let you kind of basically pull the system down, and it will actually pull out the liquid that is on the base of your system. Creates a little bit of a mess, but you can pick it up after. After you do this right here, you're going to clean your scalp and you're going to dry the system. What I like to do is I like to take a towel, fold the towel over the system, and put pressure on it. This will only take about 10 to 15 minutes, but what you're looking for is to squeeze all the moisture out of the hair, but in particular the base. And then you can actually move on to putting tape or liquid back on the base. At the same time, you're going to use a scalp protector on your head. You're going to apply it. It'll dry in about 1 to 2 minutes. And then you place your system with the new tape on and you're good to go. To be quite honest with you, that is all there is. This is not rocket science. It's quite easy. I like to say it's like doing arts and crafts for adults. So remember, pick a lace system so that way you have better heat that actually gets out of your scalp when you're doing activity. Number 2, go to a nicer, or I should say a longer lasting tape or liquid, but I prefer you switch to tape. Next, use a scalp protector. This is gonna help you a lot and give you about 25% extra length in the duration between. Finally, just plan to change it a little bit more. Make it every 10 days and you're gonna be good to go. You do all these steps, you're gonna have a great time, you're gonna look good all summer long.